Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing a girl dress. This is a black marker. Now we will draw a girl dress. Let's draw it. Yes, like that. A beautiful girl dress. Always drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Follow step by step how I am drawing. Then you are also able to draw like that. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow how I am drawing, then you are also able to draw. Now we are apply the dark and thick marker for bordering like that. Always drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Now let's learn the colors name. Yellow color, orange color, purple color, green color, dark pink color. Let's paint the girl dress. This is orange color. Always drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Like that, follow how I am drawing. This is purple color. You know which is purple color? This is the purple color. Yes, like that. Now we are apply the dark pink color, and this is the yellow color, and at last we are apply the green color, and here we are finished our painting. Thank you dear friends. Bye bye.